Welcome back. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, ladies, this is very new on my channel. I don't think I've ever done anything edible, anything you can eat or food or review anything related to food on this channel before. And today I am going to be reviewing a coffee. Yeah, we are going into fall, then we go into winter, right? It's gonna be very cold. For my ladies out there or my friends out there that you love to drink coffee, I'm not really a coffee drinker. I'll drink coffee every now and then, but when this company reached out to me, I was like, you know what, I might have some amazing friends out there that they love coffee, and every now and then that I actually love to drink coffee. This might be an opportunity for me to, okay, why not, I'll try their product. So here I am today featuring for the very first time something edible on my channel. All right, so this is how the box came in. And before we move on to this, I just want to quickly tell you I will be doing an unboxing and I'll be preparing the coffee as well. You all have to take me, accept it the way it is. Like I told you, I don't want to go out there and be looking for a lot of fanciful recipe, but they have amazing recipe on their website as well that you could use. All right, but I'm going to be going with the simplest form of all whatsoever, but before I jump right into this video, please, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. I'm going to be leaving the link to this amazing company that reached out to me. I'm going to be leaving the link to the company in the description box, so do not forget to check in case you're interested. So let's go ahead and open this box so as not to prolong this video, right?
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be.
So when I opened the box, the first thing I saw, two things are there, this and the coffee itself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what this is, okay, so we can see what we have in there. It came in a pouch like so, and oh yeah, we have two of what we have, straws. There are straws. Yeah, we have straws. There are two. We have two of them, and we have this that you can use to to clean it, to clean the inside. You see how easy it goes in, so you can use it to cleanse and make sure it is clean. Before I actually use this, I'm going to soak it in warm water a little bit in my kitchen, because that's where I'm going to be preparing the coffee for you ladies to see. So I'm going to soak two of them in warm water while I get ready. So that's the first thing I do whenever I purchase a product that I'm going to be using, like what I would eat, or that's going to go into my system. I try to wash it a little bit in warm water and a little bit of soap, just to reduce the safety, just to be on the safe side, the chemical thing. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this. Wow, it's a liquid coffee. It comes in a bottle like this, packs a punch that they wrote at the back, and they said, get started, simply take 1 to 2 teaspoons of microdose and mix it with your favorite liquid for a perfect cup of coffee. So you could make this coffee cold, you could make it hot. All right, if we're in summertime, of course we want to go with cold one. Then winter time, fall time to winter time, we want to do hot coffee. So it's a microdose coffee concentrate, 6 ounces. It's 1677.4 ml. That's the size of it. And like I said, it's a microdose. Like, you want to go as much, as little as you can, because they already put the instruction at the back. They said take 1 to 2 teaspoons, 1 to 2 teaspoons. All right, so I don't know how strong it is, but we are going to go into my kitchen now and prepare this, and let's see how it tastes, and I will tell you my concluding review, what I feel about this product in my kitchen. So come with me. So I lost the clip where I was trying it for you on the camera. So I drank this coffee without the creamer, without any topping. It tasted 100% coffee, all right, just like it was stated on the bottle. And also when I added the creamer and to make it look more fancy, it was really sweet and creamy. This coffee will serve 30 people, like in the bottle. You're saving a lot if you try this 100% coffee concentrated by Javy Coffee. Try them out, ladies, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this presentation. It's worth it. You're going to save a lot. If you go to buy coffee in your regular store, you spend more. But with this, you're spending less than $1 to get a cup of coffee, either cold or hot, whichever way you want to try. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.
Alright. It has a very exquisite taste. I like the taste of the coffee.